Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening the Firebase console on your phone and signing in. This gives you access immediately. Create or select a project and add an Android or iOS app entry so Firebase can identify your build. Once added, download the Google services, JSON or Google Service Info. Plist file directly to your phone. This file ties your app to Firebase. Make sure to record the project ID and package or bundle name. You'll need them in the next steps to configure the app correctly. Once the config file is on your phone, move it into your app's platform folder using a file manager or a mobile IDE. This connects configuration to the build. Next, modify your build files to include the Firebase SDK and the Google Services plugin so the libraries compile. This is why the file must be in the right directory. After installing dependencies, initialize Firebase in your app startup code. Call Firebase app. Initialize app context on Android or configure with Firebase app. Configure on iOS. To finish, run your app on the phone and test Firebase features. Sign in with Authentication, read and write to Firestore, and upload a small file to cloud storage so you confirm end-to-end. Monitor runtime logs in Logcat or the Xcode console for initialization messages and API key warnings, because they tell you what's wrong quickly. If something fails, re-download the config file, double-check the package or bundle identifier, and make sure your app has internet and necessary permissions. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.